Imagine a future where the hum of robots working seamlessly integrates into the daily rhythm of human life, a future pioneered by companies like Tesla. As we stand on the brink of this robotic revolution, we must ask ourselves, what is the price of progress? This series delves into the thrilling highs and daunting lows of automation, revealing a path that is both innovative and fraught with danger. If you're fascinated by the future of technology, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest explorations. Chapter 1: The Promise and Perils of Robotics. In an era marked by rapid technological innovation, Tesla emerges as a leader, pushing the boundaries of what AI and robotics can achieve. These advancements promise a future where human effort is minimized and efficiency is maximized. But beneath the surface of this shiny promise lies a troubling question: are we prepared for the repercussions of a robot-reliant society? Chapter 2: A Shocking Incident at Tesla. Imagine the chaos when technology turns against us. 2 years ago, at Tesla's state-of-the-art Austin plant, a routine day turned nightmarish as a robot, designed to be a helper, became a harmer, attacking a worker. This chilling incident sheds light on the unforeseen dangers lurking within the shadows of progress. How did this happen, and what does it say about the safety of automation? Chapter 3: The Dark Side of Automation. A single moment of negligence led to a catastrophe. An engineer's oversight left a robot powered on, leading to a violent attack that left a worker wounded and bleeding. This incident opens a Pandora's box on the reliability of machines designed to work alongside humans. What does this grave mistake reveal about the current state of automated technology? Chapter 4: Tesla's Response and Regulatory Oversight. In the silent aftermath of the attack, Tesla's response was quiet, and the regulatory body's actions were minimal. This raises critical questions about the oversight of automated technologies. Is Tesla's facility in Austin as safe as its other locations? Are safety protocols in automated industries sufficient to protect workers? Chapter 5: The Rising Tide of Automation Injuries. The promise of a safer work environment through automation seems increasingly like a facade. Statistics reveal a rising tide of injuries in automated workplaces, exposing the harsh realities of technological integration. What are the real risks of working alongside robots, and how are companies like Tesla handling these dangers? Let's engage in this discussion. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful content. Chapter 6: The Ethical Implications of Robotics. The incident at Tesla starkly contradicts Asimov's first law of robotics: a robot may not injure a human being. This breach highlights a critical ethical dilemma in the age of robotics. As robots become more prevalent, how can we ensure they enhance rather than endanger human lives? Chapter 7: The Growing Debate Over Workplace Automation. As automation spreads, it brings both potential relief from drudgery and new challenges. Recent studies and reports discuss how automation could potentially reduce or increase workplace hazards. How do these developments affect workers, and what can be done to safeguard their well-being? Chapter 8: The Automation of America. Last year marked a significant shift in American industries, with companies integrating robots at unprecedented rates. But is this shift leading to safer work environments, or is it compounding the risks that workers face? This chapter explores the impact of rapid automation on the American workforce. Chapter 9: The Future of AI and Its Ethical Quandaries. As we delve deeper into the age of AI, profound questions arise about the role of automation in society. Will AI ultimately benefit humanity, or could it pose a grave threat to our existence? How do we navigate the ethical minefields of advancing technology? In conclusion, balancing innovation with safety. The journey of automation is fraught with challenges and ethical dilemmas. The stories of Tesla and Amazon highlight the complex interplay between technology and human safety. How can we harness the power of AI and robotics while ensuring they do not become a hazard? This ongoing debate will shape the future of technology and its impact on society. Will we master the robots, or will they master us? Remember to subscribe to our channel for more discussions like this, and share your views in the comments section below.